Hey everyone, it's Miss Martin. I just wanted to show you what our week 4 module will look like for our Pod D virtual students. So our virtual students, everything's going to be online. You're still going to have your Teams meetings every day. Right here you can still see we have our weekly objective. There's still a page for each day. So if I click Monday 10:05, here are the instructions for what we're going to be doing on Monday. There's a video if you want to watch the video right on the day about the specific directions. But when you come to class, we're actually going to be doing that Desmos lesson. So you can click here, get logged on so you can be right and ready for our Desmos lesson. I do have it so you can only go to the first 2 slides, and then as we do it in class, I will open it up as we go and move between the slides. When you're done, you can hit mark as done on the page. And then when you hit next, it will take you to the independent practice on adding integers. So you can take the quiz and then get started. So just similarly, Tuesday, we also have another Desmos lesson. So similar to the one on Monday, you just click the link, log in. We'll do it live in our Teams class as we normally do. Wednesday will be our asynchronous day, so it's a little bit different. So let me just show you real quick. So we're actually going to be testing on a specific standard. So we're doing 7NS1B. The NS stands for number system. So throughout this unit, you'll see all of our standards start with 7NS for 7th grade number system. 1B is actually the standard for adding rational numbers. So even though we're just starting, we just kind of want to get a feel for how we're progressing so far with this standard. So there is going to be a little quiz. It should only be 3 questions. Should be nice and easy. If it's hard, that's okay. We're going to keep learning more, but these are actually old state test questions. So if we get them right, we're showing how much we've mastered the standard so far and how proficient we're becoming. If you finish this and you would like to, the next thing is called an upgrade. So we're going to start turning our discussions into upgrades where you'll actually be able to earn extra credit points. So those points can be added to old assignments, missing assignments, or even just an assignment you need to boost up a little bit. So there is a Desmos activity. You click here. It's actually going to be a game. And then after you're done with the game, there are 2 questions to answer. And then you also get points for every time you reply to a classmate. I'm just going to go back to modules to keep going over the week. Thursday is going to be similar to Monday. You're going to have the live Desmos lesson during our Teams time. And then you're going to have an independent practice here on Canvas. Friday is going to be similar to Tuesday, where you're going to have the Desmos. And then there's actually an activity in the class notebook for you to complete. And just while we're here, let's just review how to get to the class notebook. It's right here on our left-hand navigation bar. We have class notebook. We hit the purple sign in button. You need to sign in with the @scsd.us. My computer's already hooked up to my account, so it just kind of logs in automatically. And then we go to open in OneNote Online. And then once you're in, you're able to click your name and the unit. So right now, because this is in my generic class, I don't have the individual names, but as always, you can look at the content library, find the unit section, and then the pages are always here, and you can left click and copy them into your page if needed. So that's just kind of a quick review also of how we get to our class notebook, and we like class notebook because it gives us the drawing option. So that's really going to be it for this week. If you have any extra time in math, I highly, highly recommend getting on Imagine Math. If you have not completed the benchmark yet, that should be done by the end of this week. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful 4th week of school.